What's up guys, this is going to be a short quick video, but if you guys are wondering what an iPhone 13 Pro Max looks like in red, this is it. I bought a Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, but blue isn't my favorite color, red is. So I went online and I got a skin that was more of a glossy skin, not a matte, to give it more of that that factory color feel. So as you can see, the side rails here are a gloss. So if I kind of get the light beaming off of it, you can see it's a gloss, not a matte finish, and the back as well. This is one of the most premium skins that I have found that is not expensive, that fits great on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm sorry, 13 Pro Max. So as you can see around the camera housing, I'm going to try to clear it up here a little bit. As you can see, everything is completely accurate. Other than that little corner there, because I screwed that up a little bit, but as you can see, around the whole border of the phone, it is completely covered. Other than the button and the Apple logo, because I left that blue so it'll stand out, but it does bring the red Apple logo, but I didn't do it. You can see everything else is red, even the bottom. Pretty accurate skin there. Everything's covered. Perfect fit. If you're curious about where I got this skin from, shoot me a comment below and like this video, and I'll send you the link on where I got it from. I think I only spent $25 on this skin here, and you can't go wrong with it. It's so clean. It looks factory. I mean, the color to me is perfect. It's not a matte, it's a gloss, but it doesn't leave too much of a fingerprint. As you can see, I put my finger directly on it. And look, no fingerprint. You'll see some smudges here from the normal skin oil here and there, but no fingerprint. Check that out. So if you guys want a red phone, especially in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple doesn't release this color for some reason. They do in the just regular 13 variant, but not in the Pro versions. This is a sleek, bright red. That is not matte, it is a glossy finish, and that I love. So that's it guys, I just want to show you really quick what the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks like in red, and you can achieve this yourself just by putting a skin on it. And like I said, I've got plenty of compliments. I'm sorry about the video quality, it's not going to be the best, but I've got plenty of compliments so far on how I got my phone to be red. And this color itself has been and just an eye catcher to everybody. So again, if you guys want to know where I got this from, shoot me a comment below and I'll put the link there, or I'll send you the link, a direct message where you can get this. Of course, other colors are available, but like I said, I chose red. So that's pretty much it guys. Other than that, thank you for watching this quick video. If you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up, and please, I'm trying to get to 500. I think I got 20 more subscribers to go before I get there. If you guys don't mind and help me, just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you nothing. Not completely, but that'll help me out a lot. And that'll help me to continue making these videos for you guys. So I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Have a safe day. God bless.